Hey y'all, Tammy here with Happi Art Creations and welcome to my today. Well, you know what's just around the corner, don't you? Yeah, it is Christmas. And anyhow, I'm starting to prepare. I've got and I keep saying this because I'm excited, it's my very first. I have an art fair coming up at the end of this month on the 26th. It's just one day, but it's a perfect time. And I thought, well, I doubt that I'll be able to get any more fairs in, if there is any more. And so I'm working on some Christmas art. So let me show you these gorgeous Christmas balls. Look at them. They are so easy, y'all. And that's what I'm setting up for. I've got all different colors, different themes. They're absolutely beautiful. Did I show you a purple? Here's a pretty blue. They're absolutely gorgeous, and anyone can do this. Okay, so that's what I'm working on. I'm getting things up. Hubby's at a procedure. They won't let me in there, so I thought, well, I'll just get it set up for later on. So I'm just kind of telling you, this is going to be fun. And y'all, anyone can do this, okay? Anyone. So from beginners to non-beginners, y'all, this is fun, it's easy, and it's Christmas. Are you ready? Okay, I'll see you guys in just a few minutes. All right, toodles. Hey y'all, Tammy here with Happi Art Creations. Again, I'm back. It's been many hours since my first little ditty part, but I'm back, and we're gonna start these beautiful, 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 beautiful Christmas ornaments, y'all. Anybody can do this. Now, I get these ornaments, just so you know, I wait till the end of the season. And I personally like the glass ones. I got these like at Hobby Lobby and a few other places. But I like the glass ones. They don't have that line that goes through, which I do not like whatsoever on it. Even these little white ones are actually, they're very pretty actually. But I'm going to paint over them, and they're glass. And there's just something about the glass ornaments that I really, really love. So, I got gobs of colors here, and got my cups ready. I had to get some of these paper cups. I was just about out. And in fact, I was using my old ones. So, and then I got one that's cut. So, you know what, y'all? I'm just going to start filling it up. I probably won't show all of these. Let me get some gloves on because I've got to do 15 of them. But I just want to show how easy it is to do that. Now, if you guys, how many of you like me, I've got oodles and oodles of Christmas stuff, Christmas ornaments, Christmas balls, and a lot of them I have that are glass. You know, I switch colors out over the years and things like that. So, you know, you can take your old ones and make them beautiful again, okay? Because sometimes after a while, these, you know, like these right here, these silver or the metal ones or whatever, it starts to chip off, and that's fine. Just make sure that you clean them real well with alcohol and, you know, that kind of fun stuff, okay? So anyhow, let's see. I have got lots of different colors. Where are they over here? I need to think about what I want to do. Let me move something out over here out of the way. Okay. I'm only doing 2 of these boxes. Okay, and I got this box. There's 2 of them after Christmas at Walmart. So I've got some purples and I got plenty of blues. I would like a few more of these like teal, because man, that's such a beautiful color. I've got some reds, a few reds, and so I think I'm going to work on some of those colors, and some I might do just some pinks and all that. I don't know. That's the fun part about this, is that they just become beautiful. Okay, now let me show you what I've done here. This here is one of those, I don't know, little pads that connect to one another, and I've already cut it in pieces, and we had it when we had our you know, the walking machine. Oh, good grief. Anyhow, we had that underneath it, and I've cut it up, And I take a pair of scissors and I made a slit right here, and I put my sticks in there. Now, warning to this, make sure that you put them on any of these on something so it drips down, because if you don't, the thing that you're setting down on your paper here is going to stick, okay? This here's styrofoam. It is some things that we got in the mail that had lots of styrofoam, or we bought something and the box was filled with it. Anyhow, I've done the same thing here, and after a while your sticks, so you can tell I've done this, your sticks just, they don't move, okay? This has never been used, but I kind of like it, and I like the way it kind of sits up. Now you can position this, these little balls, so that they're straight. If it's not perfectly straight, I haven't found any good reason why it doesn't make a real big difference, okay? All right, now I do have one color. Y'all, I've not tried the navy before, and this is my navy mixed with a phthalo blue and black. I think I'm going to try that also because it's such a rich, beautiful color. I love navy blue, y'all. I love it, love it, love it. All right. All right, here we go. Y'all, I want to say thank you ahead of time so I don't forget, because I don't like forgetting. Thank you to all my subscribers. I do appreciate every one of you. I thank you for all the great comments I've been getting. Y'all make me feel good. It's awesome. Y'all, I thank you. If you have any questions, if anything, just let me know. I'm Happi Art Creations, but you can also find me on our art pages under Tammy Owen. So that's who I am. All right, let's see. My first cup. Oh, and I made some, where did it go? Dragon Flash. I thought that might be cool. I've got green flash, and I've got purple flash made up. I made up a batch of that, and I thought, oh, I might do that first just because I want to see what they look like. All right, so I'm going to, remember, whatever color you start off with is going to come out last. I don't know. I might start with it and end with it. I don't know. You don't need a whole lot, and I'm just going to layer it. Okay, guys? Nothing, here we go. Here's some Alizarian Crimson Berry Metallic. Let me just get these lids and put them in this cup. And, ooh, that might be pretty. How about some Queracridone Magenta? So far, so good. Well, yeah. What else would go pretty with those? Definitely, you want to put some white in it. It really definitely helps, I think. That's just Artist Loft white. And y'all, with all of these paints here, I think that was a little bit thicker. So I hope that doesn't make a difference. Oh, let me get that off. They're all different paints. So, I'm not going to post these paints, okay? The colors. This here is Arteza Gold. You know that's going to be pretty, right? And I feel like, ooh, y'all don't laugh at me, but I think I'm going to put a neon in this one, right? Okay. And I am going to end with my Purple Flush. Okay. I think that's plenty, and it's only about half full, and this is a 3-ounce cup. So, let's see. We'll start right here, and I'm thinking you can see this, okay? I don't know if I can get any close. Oh, there we go. How about if I work on the, well, I'll work on this one. You can, here. I want y'all to be able to see it, okay? So, yeah, you can see that one. And y'all, all I do is kind of spiral it. And just go around. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but I don't know about you, but it's looking pretty. Oh, look at that. Ooh. And you just basically let it drip. Now, just as you would, I can bring this up. Just as you would any, like your vases and stuff, you need to make sure that it covers, and you can mess with these, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want to make sure your bases are covered. And look at that. And when it dries, I wish you could see it. It's moving around. See it? Look at those colors. And of course, that purple flash is going to be quite yummy. All right. How about we do the navy one? Because I was kind of interested in how that might, and I might add the dragon flash with that. What do you guys think? All right, so we'll do navy, ultramarine blue. Oh my gosh, y'all. This one's going to be pretty cool, I think. Right, here's a Prussian blue. That's another one that's dark. How about this one? This is my newest Amsterdam Brilliant Blue. That looks like it'll go well. We'll add a little bit of white. White does help. And I'm going to show you now, if you can look down below. It's going to drip down. It is going to drip down. But man, these are so pretty. These are so pretty. All right, what else? I need maybe, you got to be careful. Don't put too much of that green. Let's see. I feel like I need one more color. Phthalo's awful close to this blue, and I am putting this one in. How about if I do a little bit of the, not the greenish blue, not dark teal. How about some turquoise? We'll try turquoise. I don't think I have that in my colors. No, let's try it. Okay, guys? I can tell that that one is my Artist Loft. All right, and I'll move it this way so you can see it. Okay? I'm just giving these a gentle shake, shake. Man, I gotta remember to do that more often and put my lids in a little cup. That way I've got it, right? All right, and my white. How about if I do this pearl white? Ooh. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my navy. Y'all, it's just the norm, okay? And this is random. I mean random. Oh, let me add some of this dragon blue in here. Or dragon flash, whatever on that. OMG. Oh, wow. That Artist Loft turquoise. That must have been one of my Dutch. Okay, I am going to add some gold, or should I add silver? Let's do gold this one. You can't go wrong with this stuff. You really can't. Let's add some of this pretty cream and a dash of the navy and a dash of the dragon flash. Woo! Y'all ready? I'm ready. Here we go. Let's try it right here. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I'm just like you. This is what's so amazing. Look at this. Just a simple spiral. Oh, they start to move. And you can kind of see which edges as you're going around. Oh my gosh. Look at this, y'all. So you see how easy this is? And I will sell these at my art fair this in the next couple weeks. That is gorgeous. So I'm going to save that cup. And what I'm going to do, again, you have to be, let me move it this way, and I'm going to move it around. And these colors, I'm just going to touch up the base. And eventually I think it does come around, but I kind of like to make sure that all of it's covered, okay? And if you could see that, it's stunning, the color combination. So yay, right? And it just drips. It just has a good old time. All right, let's do one more, and we'll call it, I'm going to save this cup because I'm going to do some more of those. And each one's going to be different, just so you know. So, how about let's do some pretty greens. I've got this light emerald green in the cup, Tim. We'll do emerald green. That is such a gorgeous green, and I think that's Liquitex Basics. I'm going to do green flash. I made that up the other day. So this is all green flash. There's no light olive in it. I'm going to do a greenish blue. and add that in. That's pretty. I've got a Christmas green that I mixed up a while ago, so I'm hoping it's still okay. Oh, it's very pretty. It's gonna be psychedelic. I think I'm gonna put some of this dragon flash in it just because I can, and maybe maybe some regular white. Okay, some of that. Should I do silver? This is Deco Art Sterling Silver. I don't know, I mean, right? Let's do some silver with that white and just kind of see if it sparkles it up. And I'm going to end with this green and a dash of the flash. Flash! Ah! Oh my gosh, memories. Okay, so I'm going to do this one right here. Okay, and I'll bring it up for y'all to see. Alright. I mean, you never know. You do not know what this is going to turn out to be like. The first part do try to stay, and look, it starts moving around, and that's who cares, right? It's going to move and do its thing. This is pretty neon looking. But if I was going to say, is this Christmas? Well, yeah, I could call this Christmas, right? Okay. Ooh, y'all. Let me bring it up because it's muy bueno beautiful. And it's hard to see it on the camera. And again, all I'm doing is touching these edges up, making sure. Sometimes the underbelly, be sure to check, because it's a rounded circle and it'll keep draining. I mean, it's rounded, so it doesn't necessarily always fall down the way you want it to. And as you can see, they are dripping and they are doing their thing, and all is well with the Christmas balls. Y'all, this is so pretty. I wish y'all could see that. And then when it comes time to do the resining, I'll get these all out. I'll do this soon because I have an art fair. It's so simple, literally. That's all you need in your resin. Honest engine. That's it. And a stick to stir. Okay, y'all, if you have any questions, please ask, okay? I'll be glad to help you. You can even use your leftover paints. I mean, you can do anything with these. My paints weren't all the same consistency, so it really didn't matter a whole lot. They just turned out gorgeous, y'all. So don't be afraid to try something new. You can do this. I know you can. Alrighty, and y'all, thank you again. If you like this, give me the thumbs up. Share it with your friends if you like. Make it a Christmas ornament party if you want, and share it with your friends. And then go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already. And again, thank you for those who are subscribed to me. I do appreciate it. And go spark some happy in someone's heart today. Alrighty. Y'all, I will see you next time here on Happi Art Creations. Thank you so much for being with me today. All right. Toodaloo. Bye now. Bye-bye. Goodbye now. Okay, y'all. I just had to show you. I just finished up my batch in between dinner. But look at these. Some of them are already starting to dry. Now, they've lost some of their shimmer, but look at that navy. OMG, look, they're beautiful. See, that one's starting to dry too. And these, look at these green ones, like, oh. Now this one I'm not sure. And you can always just stick these in water if you're not sure, but I'm not real fond of that one, but we'll see. Here's another pretty green, and here's another one of the navy. And all of those beautiful colors, and look at that. I added orange and red in that one, and this one's more pinks. But this one, oh, okay. And so y'all, these are turning out beautiful, and I'm so, so happy. They look like little popsicle cakes right now. But they will be beautiful when I put the ribbon and stuff on it, and actually resin and ribbon them. Anyhow, but y'all, I just wanted you to see it. Okay, talk to you later. Toodles. Bye-bye. Goodbye now. Goodbye.